Walking through Alberello. We're Rich and Robin. We're exploring Italy from Florence to the heel of the boot. Follow along on our adventures in and out of our midlife van. On our last video, we made it to the Adriatic Sea and the town of Pugliano before heading back inland to Trullo country. Good morning from Alberello, Italy. We are in Trullo country, and this is where we stayed last night. The campground was 37 euros for 4 people. They charge for your electricity per person, your site. They have showers, toilets, laundry, a pool, and they even have a disco. After we found our campsite for the night, we headed into town to check out the Trullo village. We found a quaint little restaurant for dinner. We ended the night with gelato. In the morning, we headed back into town to explore more of the Trullo village. So there was no wall? Oh, the stack stone the whole way. Yeah. Gotcha. A trullo, or trulli for multiple, is a traditional Apulian dry stone hut with a conical roof. Trullis were generally constructed as temporary field shelters and storehouses, or as less permanent dwellings. You see the little garage, Rich? Park your little Fiat there. Walking through Alberello. There are 3 areas, and this is the residential area of Alberello, and there is the restaurant area where there's shops as well for shopping, and then there's the basilica area. And they're decorated for Halloween. Got some pumpkins. Yeah, I like the roof on this one because it's different than all the others.
The colors.
Yeah,
The tiles.
yeah. This section of the Puglia region is the most populated, truly residential area. Alberello.
Trulli sono stati costruiti nel 1481. Trulli, 1481, qui no souvenir.
1400.
I souvenir sono di Alto Lione, è moderno, è nato commerciale e andrà commerciale. Qui è proibito il commercio, no commercio, case vacanze e visitare. Il commercio no. Buongiorno signora!
Abbiamo fatto tutto.
Brava, avete visto tutto? Bello Alberobello, stupendo. Bello.
Stupendo.
Alberobello, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Qui non abita, turisti che fanno le foto, turisti.
Turisti.
Albergo, le gente. Se volete mettete qui, sempre se
Oh, sì,
volete.
grazie.
Allora questo è il vero centro storico. Oh, per la luce, prego.
Oh,
Queste toilette moderne, prima no toilette.
No toilet.
Moderno.
Uh-huh.
Oggi è toiletto, però prima no. Questa è un'alcova originale.
Original.
Non abito qui io, non abito. No.
No.
Qui visito i turisti.
Uh-huh.
Quello è il cammino, è stato chiuso. Questa è tutta vera pietra, guarda, guarda, originale, non
Original.
cemento, a secco. Questi sono 4 trulli comunicanti. 1, 2, 3 e 4.
4 domes. 4 domes. Fireplace. Oh. Bambino.
Sì, mamma, 13 bambini. Io la più piccola dormivo in quell'alcova con mamma, in 3. I maschietti con la scaletta a dormire là. Fuori caldo, qui è sempre freddo, però oggi no, dipende dal tempo. Più il tempo è così e più ti viene la caloria nel Trullo. Più c'è sole, più freddo è.
California.
California, mamma
Oh,
mia.
molto bello la
California.
Guarda, non ho messo qui.
You see the kitchen?
Guardate, qui venga tutto il mondo. Guarda, dalla Germania hanno messo a lui, anche a me, però non questa foto, un'altra come questa, sto io. Qui è solo lui, guarda, marito Pasquale.
Pasquale.
Pasquale, sì, vengono qui con amore, bello, guarda.
To stand in.
Prego, un giallino poi, giallale signore.
Faccio a voi fotografie.
Oh, sì. Ok, sì.
Buoni questi.
Grazie.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Grazie.
Beautiful.
Molto bene.
America.
Ah, mo se n'è andato un gruppo America. Questo è il vero centro storico. Questi trulli sono stati costruiti nel 1481. Trulli. 1481. Qui no souvenir.
1400.
I souvenir sono in Alto Lione. Qui è proibito il commercio. No commercio, case vacanze e visitare. Il commercio no. Buongiorno signora! Ciao, ho fatto tutto. Brava, avete visto tutto?
We just had the best visit with a couple from Alberello, and they showed us around there truly. They showed us all the visitors they've had there. They, of course, had to take our picture. We took their picture. It was such a great time. Once again, some very friendly
Yes,
Italians.
The locals, yeah. So this couple was just the cutest little couple, probably in their 80s.
Probably.
Yeah, and she was a fireball. She's just full of energy.
She had
we
her
already
espresso
described
this
her that
morning.
we can't speak Italian, and she's just rattling off on and on and on. And then the husband is just like, he's sitting there, he's just like, okay, Isabella, please, quiet. Just going, and he's like rolling his eyes, but you could tell they're a cute little couple. I think they're describing that his mother lived there when they're with 9 or 10 siblings, and it was a 4-room house. So there's,
4-dome house.
But also he's saying 4 rooms. Yeah, so you got the kitchen, you got the bedroom, and you got the toilet, and then you got the main room.
And
that's
then
the 4 rooms.
the Bambinos had
a little
loft and
a little ladder going up.
Yeah.
So imagine 10 kids up there.
Yeah.
It'd be hard, but
crazy. That's why they didn't grow very tall.
yeah, exactly. They had to stay short.
I think this is a little Airbnb, but it's like a fourplex of Trullis. Rich, do you think I'll fit through this door? Yeah, cute little place to stay. Look at this, all the domes and the little chimney. The chimney, which might have been the original kitchen. And then we got the dome roofs. Very cool. Open when we're ready. Close when we're tired. The balloons are everywhere, and we were told just because they make you happy. The white Trulli symbols painted on many of the Trulli roofs add to the mystical appearance of these tiny dwellings. The varying designs from sun to moon to hearts to pagan-like symbols. Some of them are believed to be religious significance, while others have astrological meanings. The purpose was to ward off the evil spirits and demons, and to bring good luck to the inhabitants. The Trulli Church. It's truly a church. And the restaurant we ate at last night, right over there, Restaurante, and right there. And we had chita. Not quite sure. I don't think I'm saying it right, but it was good. Pasta to the region. Tre, yeah. Take away. Grazie. Manici Church. Look at, there's even a little viewing deck over here. Look at the little garden. We left the Trulli village of Alberobello and headed to our own Airbnb Trullo for the night. So we're looking for the word Trullo.
Trullo Franca.
Look for the Three Sisters a little further. We're looking for
There's
Three
Trullo.
Sisters.
No, that doesn't say true.
Keep going. Then we want 2 olive trees, and there's a parking lot.
Right here. You're okay, Rich. Bring it back this way. Around here. You going there? You got a lot of room. You're good. You're good.
We made it! It's raining!
Robin, where are you?
We are at Trullo Stefano,
Close to the Three Sisters.
close to the Trullo Three Sisters. On our next Italian adventure, we stay overnight in a Trulli Airbnb and then head off to Ostuni in southern Italy. Subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.